Is hitting the spouse, husband or wife, allowed in Islam? Any form of physical violence, hitting or injuring the other in a marital relationship is haram and forbidden in Islam. There is no justification for it, and it was not something that the Holy Prophet and his pure family would ever do. According to the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, anyone who strikes his wife, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will command Malik, the angel of hell, to strike them on the day of judgment. This applies to both males and females, i.e., women should not be hitting their husbands as well. As for ayah number 34 of Surah An-Nisa, chapter 4, it refers to a very specific situation in which a wife is disobedient to her husband in terms of his marital rights without any legitimate reason. And after advice and separating from her, some scholars have said symbolically the husband can use a small stick like a toothbrush, but ensuring that no scars or bruises or injuries are caused. Some other scholars have argued that the word dharb in the Quran refers to complete separation from the wife and not use of anything physical.